It's now or never. Da, 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 da. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. I was reading this book about dragons, monsters, and witches, but I digress. My name is Dewi Wulandari, but you ought to know that, right? After all, you asked me to explain to you all the things about computer earlier. But first, let's turn on my computer. There we go. Now, some music would be nice, wouldn't it? Now, let me tell you what computer really is. A computer is a machine that can be programmed to carry out sequences of arithmetic or logical operations automatically. Modern computers can perform generic sets of operations known as programs. These programs enable computers to perform a wide range of tasks. A computer could be divided into three parts: software, hardware, and brainware. Software is the programs and routines for a computer or the program material for an electronic devices which make it run. Hardware refers to physical elements of a computer. It is also sometimes called the machinery or the equipment of a computer. Brainware is the person who uses, manipulates, and making commands for a computer. That person is you, my friend. Are you still with me? Don't go sleepy yet, we have way more to go. But for now though, we will discuss hardwares. As I've said before, quite simply, computer hardware is the physical components that a computer system requires to function. It encompasses everything with a circuit board that operates within a PC or laptop, including the motherboard, graphics card, CPU or central processing unit, ventilation fans, webcam, power supply, and so on. There are many types of hardwares such as input device, output device, storage device, and processing device. Input device are the devices which are used to input data in a computer. Output device are used to get or to show the data stored in a computer. Storage devices are used to store the data, and there are two types of storage devices: primary memory like RAM and ROM, or storage memory like floppy disk. Processing device are any device inside a computer that interprets and manipulates incoming data during the stage. There are indeed many, right? But unfortunately, right now I could only tell you about input and output devices, as our times are not long. Let's talk about input devices first, shall we? Types of input devices. I could only show you three at the moment. 1. Keyboard. A computer keyboard is a peripheral input device modeled after the typewriter keyboard, which uses an arrangement of buttons or keys to act as a mechanical levers or electronic switches. 2. Mouse. A computer mouse is a handheld pointing device that detects two-dimensional motion relative to a surface. It's translated into a smooth control of the graphical user interface of a computer. 3. Joystick. A joystick is an input device consisting of a stick that pivots on a base and reports its angle or direction to the device it is controlling. Alright then, that's it. Now we go on to output devices. Are you ready? Types of output devices. As before, I could only show you three. 1. Monitor. A monitor is a display screen that provides visual output from a computer, cable box, camera, or other video generating device. 2. Printer. In computing, a printer is a peripheral machine which makes a persistent representation of graphics or text, usually on paper. 3. Speaker. A speaker is an electroacoustic transducer, that is, a device that converts an electrical audio signal into a corresponding sound. And that's all I could tell you today, really. How was it? Pretty fun, right? But as I've said before, there are many more hardwares we didn't get a chance to know. Do you know input devices alone reach the number 33 in total? I know, crazy! So, if you're curious to learn more, please Google it. All new knowledge isn't good knowledge. Anyways, because it's all done. Now I want to go back to my books and turn the radio on again. Bye bye for now then. Au revoir.